Chicken. Oh, yeah, give it a squeeze. Like, you know, like, it's all the beach.
Hey guys, Forrest is coming to visit this weekend, and so we're doing the SEWARD range in Adirondacks. It's pretty treacherous. It's currently it's 4:30 right now, p.m. Obviously p.m. bruh. It's 4:30 on Friday, September 24th. I'm a little stressed because I'm pretty sure we're hiking we're hiking 5 miles in tonight to stay the night, and it's 4:30, so it's gonna be like 6 by the time we even start, so we shall see what happens. Wish me luck. Hopefully I'm not as stressed in about, I'm gonna be equally stressed until I get there, no doubt. Got myself a Tim Hortons bagel because I was so hungry, and there's like countless amounts of cars coming. Come on! Okay, I'm done.
Hey guys, welcome to Ruby's vlog. This is crazy.
Forrest, what kind do you want?
Flavor.
There's turkey cheddar, chicken, turkey, chicken, bacon ranch, and New York deli.
I want that one.
Give that one to Joe.
Turkey, cheddar, or New York deli. Like salami and shit.
Like, you know, like, it's all the beach.
Forrest just fell in the river.
Well, juicy, but you know, this thing's soaked, but what are you gonna do?
Joe just fell down and rolled. And his sandwich is a little soggy.
Yeah, a little bit. Can't wait to eat it.
We've been talking about getting attacked
Yeah,
for the last 20 minutes. Forrest lost his keys somewhere in the dark.
my bag was too packed, and then the zipper came open, and then the keys fell out, and I don't know where. So I'm stuck in the Adirondacks.
Forrest.
Let it go, dude.
He found
False
them.
alarm. Do you think this will attract the bears?
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
Fuck.
Are you gonna eat that?
I don't want to eat it. Wait, let me put some... Chicken.
How's that for now?
It's good.
Okay.
It's 5 a.m.
Go so slow.
I mean, squeeze it.
Yeah, give it a squeeze.
One down, 2 to go. Whoa, whoa. I was just dying.
A little dusted.
Wow, that did so much.
Right from the train off.
We're lost.
Yeah.
We don't know which way it is. We hiked the wrong way, and now we're back at the original spot we were supposed to be at 5 miles ago. But, you know.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
26 miles. 26. Sweet relief.
What's your name?
Ouch. Wow.
Got a Taco Bell.
Sweet relief. Sweet relief.